And let's get you details of Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to Jammu and Kashmir. It's his third day in the valley, and today Home Minister Amit Shah will be in Pulwama as well as in Srinagar. So he is going to be, in fact, paying tribute to soldiers who have been killed in action in Pulwama. But he'll start off his final day visit with a visit, in fact, to the Kheer Bhavani temple shortly. Home Minister Amit Shah will then interact and address Panchis and Sarpanchis. After that, Shah will go to Letpura to pay tribute to CRPF personnel who were killed in action in Pulwama in 2019. The Home Minister is also going to be meeting with the civil group at Raj Bhavan. Ahead of his event, massive security arrangements have been made around Dal Lake in Srinagar because Amit Shah will be attending a cultural program on the banks of the lake. Last evening, Amit Shah was seen inspecting BSF bunkers at Makwal, the last village on the border of India with Pakistan.
Home Minister Amit Shah's Mission Kashmir. On the second day of the power-packed visit, Amit Shah inaugurated the new campus of IIT in Jammu and launched several developmental projects. At a rally, he hailed the Narendra Modi government's Vikas speech.
ये मोदी जी का कमाल है, 12,000 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट आ गया है। मैं बताता हूं 51,000 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट 2022 के पहले आ जाएगा।
Amit Shah also hit out at earlier NC and PDP governments, calling them dynasts who mocked Modi government's bid to empower Jammu and Kashmir.
ये 3 परिवार वाले मुझे सवाल पूछ रहे थे कुछ कि क्या देकर जाओगे। भाई मैं तो हिसाब लेकर आया हूं, क्या देकर जाएंगे। मगर 70 साल आपके 3 परिवारों ने राज किया, आपने क्या दिया इसका हिसाब लेकर आओ भाई। जम्मू कश्मीर की सरकार आपका हिसाब मांगे।
The focus of the speech of Union Home Minister was development. He said that the government is committed to the overall development of Jammu and Kashmir, and he reiterated the stand of the government that everyone will get justice and there will be appeasement of none.
Amit Shah has also assured people of Jammu and Kashmir that nobody will be able to stall developmental works in Jammu and Kashmir.
मैं आप सबको विश्वास दिलाने आया हूं, विश्वास रखिएगा, विकास के युग में कोई खलल नहीं डाल पाएगा, जम्मू कश्मीर के विकास को कोई रोक नहीं पाएगा।
Amid civilian killings in Jammu and Kashmir, Amit Shah pointed out that there has been a decline in the number of killings in comparison to the previous governments.
2004 से 14 के बीच में 2081 नागरिकों की मृत्यु हुई। प्रतिवर्ष 208 नागरिक मारे गए और 2014 से 21 तक सितंबर तक 239 नागरिकों ने अपनी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण तरीके से जान गंवाई है।
Meanwhile, anti-terror operations in the valley are underway. In Poonch, 2 policemen and an army jawan were injured during a counter-terrorist operation. LET terrorist Zia Mustafa was killed during the encounter. His body has been retrieved by the forces. In a separate encounter in Shopian, a civilian was also killed in crossfire between terrorists and CRPF.
The war on terror continues. Amit Shah also said that whosoever tries to create trouble in Jammu and Kashmir, he will not be spared, and he said that his government will have a zero tolerance policy towards terror.
Amit Shah, in a high-level security meet, told forces to flush out terrorists from the Kashmir Valley, but the opposition sees an all-round failure in Kashmir policy.
We really have felt for some time that the people of Kashmir deserve peace, deserve a normal life with full integration into the economic and social mainstream.
जो भी स्टेप लेने थे, अगर दूरदर्शिता दिखाती बीजेपी तो लोगों का दिल जीतने के लिए बात करते हैं। बांटने का समाज को आवश्यकता नहीं है।
Can Amit Shah lead the centre's bid to restore normalcy?
The message is out there that there will be crackdown on terror, but the larger messaging would be the political one. What kind of an outreach will be there, at least for the people and political parties, talking about delimitation and restoring statehood? It's also the larger message of peace that now needs to percolate down to the people. With camera person Sanjeev, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Srinagar for India Today.